Hey everybody, game time, and I scored a really good deal on eBay on a bunch of 1718 optic retail. 4 of the blaster boxes and 4 of these bigger retail. There's the main difference between the retail and the hobby is that there's a guaranteed autograph, and maybe 2. 1 I know for sure in the hobby box of this, but often you'll get an autograph in the retail version and it's half the price. It's maybe even less than half the price. But this is one of those products where it's not really all about the autographs. What you're really hoping for is some good rookie parallels. So if I can score, some Jason Tatum parallels, anything, any of those good rookies out of this stuff, then I'll be pretty happy. So this will be a lot of videos of basically watching the same thing being opened. So obviously, if you don't collect basketball or don't give a hoot, just skip those. But I'm hoping that, there'll be some interesting stuff to come out of this. I'm really excited. And so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I'll start with one of these retail boxes. These do have 20 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Can pull 1 of 1 black parallels. I never have, but it is possible. This will have, I don't know, 10 or 12, I think maybe 12 rated rookies. And then hopefully some parallel versions of those. And I hope, I get an autograph or 2. I have pulled those in the past. They weren't anything super great, but they weren't really bad either. So, alright, let's get into this. There will be lots of inserts, and you can get parallels of the inserts too, of course. I'm telling this, and this is an older product, and people who have opened this probably already know all this, but alright, Rajon Rondo, Chris Paul, Hawkins, Elgin Baylor, and Alec Burks. D'Angelo Russell, Dirk Nowitzki, Rookie Kings, De'Aaron Fox, and Wayne Selden rated rookie. Julius Randle, DeMarcus Cousins. Here is a John Havlicek Hawkins Prism. So that's an example of one of the inserts parallel versions. There's LeBron, James Harden, Buddy Hield, Court Kings, and there's a Tatum. The first Tatum, rated rookie. I really like this stuff. It looks really good. I have a ton of it though. I just keep getting it. Looks like we have a rated rookie Prism. Markieff Morris. Yep, we do. Zoshi or Key or whatever. Not the best one to get, obviously. And Caleb Swanigan, so that's a bummer. Alright. Court Kings, Kawhi Leonard. And there's a Fultz rated rookie, so 2 good rated rookies so far out of this box. There's a John Collins, Rookie Kings purple. This should be numbered, I think. No, it's not. But it is purple. Looks really good. There's another purple Miles Turner. Let's see if the base is not numbered either. Yep. I'm not going to read all the players' names. This stuff's been out for quite a while, and since there will be so many of these videos, I want to make them a little bit faster than if this was a new product. Ben Simmons, Court Kings, and a Tyler Lydon rated rookie. See if I can keep these videos at around, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes instead of 20. Here's the Hawkins and Dylan Brooks rated rookie. So we got another purple. Yeah, Devin Booker, Court Kings purple. Maybe purples are exclusive to retail. I'm not entirely sure. Maybe one of you guys know. Here comes another one, and it is Chris Middleton. And another, ooh, very nice, purple Dennis Smith Jr. So that's the kind of stuff I'm really hoping for out of this. God, that looks good. A rookie Kings Lonzo Ball and Yabusele rated rookie. Nice pack. Rookie Kings Ntilikina. Court Kings LeBron. And Alonzo Ball rated rookie. This has been a good box. So we got 4 packs to go. Hawkins, Julius Erving, and a Ben Simmons. Court Kings, Dennis Schroeder, and rated rookie and Agbu. Oh, a Maxi Kleber, not Klebler, Maxi Kleber, purple autograph. I don't know who Maxi Kleber is, but that's cool. Got an autograph and a purple one at that. No number, and a blue Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. This is a really nice pack. This is numbered to 85. Very nice pack. Alright, so we did get an autograph. Oh, come on. Another purple. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, what a box this was. Wow. Oh, and a Kawhi Leonard. What a really nice box. That was a great start. Actually, now that I'm really thinking about it, I think what I'm going to do is, since it's 4 and 4, I'm going to do one of the retail boxes and one of these blaster boxes with each video. So let's go ahead and dig into this. This is I don't know how many packs. I don't remember. Let's see. I think it might have been 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 actually. Alright. Wow, that was such a great box. What a great start. Exactly what I was hoping for. A Jonathan Isaac rated rookie. Buddy Hield, Court Kings purple. Kyle Kuzma, rated rookie. And Hawkins, Patrick Ewing. Another Jason Tatum, sweet. And a Trevor Booker, purple. So that's 2 Jason Tatums in this first round. Dylan Brooks, Porzingis, Court Kings. An Agbu, rated rookie. Whiteside, Court Kings. A Caleb Swanigan and a Prism of Enes Kanter. And our last pack of this round has Alonzo Ball, rated rookie, and a Josh Jackson, rookie Kings. This was really, really good first round. Very, very, very happy with that. And we're at like 11 minutes. That's not too bad if I shut up now. Thanks for watching. If anybody's interested, obviously I'll have 3 more rounds of this type of opening. I'm not sure if I'll post these one right after the other or break it up. There's got so much stuff coming in. I may break it up a little bit, and that'll keep everybody from being too bored with it. Thanks for watching. Everybody, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it very much. Take care. Have a great day. Goodbye.